Plate warmer cabinets make serving many people feel professional and keep food at its best. For a big family house kitchen project, consider a built-in step-in warming cabinet placed near the serving area to minimize transfer time and heat loss. Choose a unit with low-temperature warming drawers or a dedicated warming cabinet that holds plates upright for air circulation and even heating. Install thermostat control that has a probe or digital readout so you can set precise temperatures between 90 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit depending on plate material and keepers of sauces or gravies in mind. Use adjustable shelving or removable plate racks so you can fit varying plate sizes and stack without trapping cold spots. Add a heated towel drawer in the same bank to preheat linens for presentation and to keep hands warm for servers handling plates. Wire the cabinet on a dedicated circuit and locate controls at a comfortable height so family members of different ages can use it safely. Homeowners often crowd plates into the warming space, which creates uneven heating and cold centers. Avoid this by spacing plates on racks and rotating shelves every 10 to 15 minutes for the first cycle to establish uniform temperature. Another common mistake is setting the temperature too high, which can crack delicate china or dry out food. The fix is to use the lowest effective temperature range and test with a spare plate to tune the setting before service. People sometimes place the unit far from the serving area, which wastes time and causes heat loss. The remedy is to design the cabinet adjacent to the plating station with a shallow step-in pass-through or open face so servers can load and retrieve plates quickly. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and compare project ideas for built-in warming cabinets. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips and real-world experiences to help contractors find work and families plan better kitchen layouts.